At Metropolitan, we have a wide variety of cabinet door styles and finish options, from modern to traditional to transitional and everything in between. So we're going to take you through the different options and how we can find something perfect for you. We have gorgeous painted wood doors at Metropolitan that are all handmade and finished by hand. We work with the Sherwin-Williams color system, so we have a wide variety of standard colors, but we also do custom color matching. So there's really something for everyone. We offer a lot of wood staining options as well, on wood species including cherry, alder, bamboo, and maple. I love this here. This is an alder with a nickel stain. If you're looking for natural wood, we have gorgeous options in wood species including maple, red birch, cherry, and also in walnut, which is a huge trend right now. We love it in this slim shaker style as seen here. In addition to all the door finish options, we offer a lot of different door styles, ranging from simple to intricate. Now let's talk modern. We have a lot of different slab door styles here for that sleek contemporary look. We have laminate, which is seen here. We also have a lot of thermofoil options and lacquer, giving you that glossy, beautiful finish. If you're looking to add a wow factor to your kitchen, we have some really cool options, including glass door inserts, mesh, and also aluminum frame doors as seen here. These act as jewels for the kitchen and really make it pop. We offer several different door materials that are sustainable, including bamboo. Our factory where we make all of our cabinets is actually certified green. We are part of the Environmental Stewardship Program. Check out our website where we lay it all out, or call us and set up an appointment to discuss your next project.